Generator sets, whether diesel or gas-powered, are equipment subject to considerable thermal and aeraulic constraints. Used for both marine propulsion and industrial power generation, they must be capable of operating in extremely varied environments, from the freezing temperatures of the Arctic to the intense heat of tropical regions. In all these contexts, the ventilation of the rooms housing them is of absolutely vital importance. It must simultaneously supply the combustion air required by the engine, ensure the extraction of heat dissipated during power generation, and maintain the room temperature within an acceptable range, both for the safety of personnel and to prevent the overheating of sensitive components. It is precisely on these complex issues that Eolios intervenes, carrying out advanced CFD simulations specifically tailored to the study of generator sets. In practice, our approach begins with the geometric modeling of the room and its equipment in order to enable the generation of an accurate and consistent mesh. Our engineers then study the airflows in detail, identifying recirculation and bypass zones, which can compromise cooling efficiency and create hot spots. We calculate pressure losses within the networks, particularly those generated by acoustic systems, which are often essential in these environments. We also analyze the impact of hot gas and NOx emissions on nearby equipment and systems, as well as the effects of extreme weather conditions on the overall aeraulic behavior of the installation. CFD simulation also allows us to accurately size the placement of ventilation grills, optimize the positioning of air treatment systems, and study specific configurations such as the containerization of generator sets, an increasingly widespread solution in mobile or temporary industrial installations. Where conventional calculation methods often rely on an average ambient temperature, without accounting for extreme scenarios, numerical simulation makes it possible to explore all critical cases, including failure scenarios, to ensure that the installation remains operational and safe even under the most severe conditions. At Eolios, we support generator set manufacturers and operators at every stage of their project, providing precise recommendations on required airflow rates, optimal aeraulic distribution, and the overall efficiency of cooling systems. Contact us to study your installation together and guarantee optimal performance in all circumstances.